Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to upload image on DeepSeek AI. So it is super easy and simple to upload images on DeepSeek AI. So first you just have to simply open the DeepSeek app, and after that you have to click on Start Chat. Once you get into the chat, you can see we have this plus icon at the right bottom. You have to click onto it, and from your gallery you have to select the picture that you would like to upload. But first you have to click on this middle option, which is the image. Once you tap onto it, then your gallery will open. From there, just simply select the picture. Now the picture will appear like this. If you would like to give any kind of prompt, you can just simply add up here. Like if it's an assignment, you can ask it to solve it. If you want to translate something, you can ask simply up here. So whatever your query or your prompt regarding to it, you can add it. So here I have uploaded a picture, and my prompt will be to answer that, because this one is sort of some questions, and then you have to just simply click on the blue arrow. It will be sent. Now it will just take a while to load, and after that it will answer to you whatever you have asked regarding that image. So that's how you can upload image on DeepSeek AI. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.